Good morning student. Today through this video we are going to be discuss a farm in India. The first point of it we have that the 75% population of India which lives in village depends directly or indirectly on agriculture. The people who works into the field, they are directly engaged to the agriculture, and the people who are working into the agro based industries and into those shops which is providing material for the agriculture, to them we can count that they are engaged indirectly with agriculture. It provides food and raw material to agro based industry. This is the main work which is done by the agriculture. It provides foods, means food is the necessary need of the human beings, and it is complete by the agriculture. And apart from that, agriculture is also providing raw material to the agro based industries. Now we are going to be discuss about Ganga Plains. Ganga Plains is a part of India and it is labeled and fertile area for farming. Means we can say that it is an area which is more suitable for the farming in India. Now let us discuss the features of the Ganga Plain. The first feature is subsistence farming practice here. In Ganga Plain, most of the farmers are doing subsistence farming. It's mean the main priority of the farmer is to complete the needs of their family, and for this purpose only they are doing agriculture. The second point is land holdings are small. In India, the land holdings are very small, and its reason is their inheritance law. As per this law, whatever the property of the father is there, it divided into son or daughters equally. So due to that, the land holdings are small in India. Farmers mainly depends on the monsoon season for agriculture, as the crops needs water. So to complete the need of the water, most of the farmers depends on monsoon season, but it is uncertain, means monsoon season is not coming on time. Sometime it comes in advance or sometime it late, and due to that farmers are facing some of the problems. The next feature is that most of the work done by animals and members of the farmer's family. It's mean in India still farming is done with the help of labor. They are not using much machines. Most of the work into the field done with the help of the animals, and apart from that the family members of the farmers are also engaged to complete the needs of the farming. The last feature, food crops is the top priority. It's mean the farmers mainly in Ganga Plains are growing food crops. As we know that we have two types of crops, food crops or cash crops. But in Ganga Plain, most of the farmers are growing food crops which is completing their needs of food. Thanks.